Deal Funnel. Hey property pros, ready to rock your real estate game? Say hello to Deal Funnel, your go-to tool for easy property management. With Deal Funnel, you're not just dealing with properties, you're guiding the whole process. It's like having a helpful sidekick for your property adventures, keeping you in the know at every step. Imagine this. Streamline your property deals with our neat property deal funnel. From finding places to sealing the deal, it's your one-stop spot to track progress. We've got you covered from finding properties to closing deals. Add property to deal funnel, no sweat. Hit Add to Deal Funnel on the property page and boom. Inside, get all the info, address, price, ROI, type, highlights, you name it. Here's the cool part. Drag and drop properties as they move through the deal stages. It's like having your personal map for each property. Stay in control, stay informed. That's Deal Funnel. It's not just a tool, it's your easy solution for smooth real estate management. Ready to make property management a breeze? Jump into Deal Funnel and own your real estate journey.